What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Picoin. Folks, a lot to talk about in today's video. The Pi Network Picoin co-founder just outlined exactly how this network is going to expand in order to allow for better peer-to-peer interactions on the network, and how monetization is coming to the Pi platform. If you are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video so that we can get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on all things Picoin. First and foremost, if you haven't seen this video on the Picoin Twitter page, please go ahead and check it out. A great outline as to how this network is truly revolutionizing how we are interacting with cryptocurrency. For those that already have a business model as outlined by this video, guess what? You can monetize that model on the Pi network. For those that want to monetize their platforms, they can monetize it on the Pi network. And that is what's so exciting about this coin. It's the fact that we have real world applications, real world solutions to real world problems. A lot of cryptocurrency doesn't really solve real world issues, but the Picoin team is really trying to onboard people in a way that we solve issues that are happening in real time. That is very, very exciting in my opinion, and goes to show you that Pi Network, Picoin is more than just crypto. It's real life application. Now let's briefly talk about the price action before I talk about why I am so bullish when it comes to Pi. Over the past several days, we have seen a really shaky cryptocurrency market. Picoin, however, has remained strong relative to the rest of the market. Sitting here at $2.16, we are seeing a little bit of a cool off since those highs that we saw a couple of days ago. That being said, look at this volume. $1.8 billion in volume, absolutely tremendous. Market cap sitting here at $14 billion. We are still seeing quite a bit of volume despite this coin only being listed on a handful of exchanges. When it comes to the rest of the cryptocurrency market, we have been struggling. Yesterday, we saw a huge drop, a mini capitulation event that came out of nowhere that sent Bitcoin down to $78,000. Absolutely ridiculous. Ethereum followed suit, Solana in the big three here also following the same or similar price action. The question becomes, when are we going to get a reversal in the cryptocurrency market to not only boost our holdings in these coins up here in the top 10, but also when are we going to see that boost in order to really get Pi to those highs that we have been talking about on and on again on this channel? Let's get into it. First of all, in order for Pi to hit those astronomical numbers that we've been talking about, those double-digit numbers that we've been talking about, I think it has to be in the setting of a bullish cryptocurrency market. When do I think that's going to happen? Well, at first, I thought it was going to happen during Q1 or Q2 of this year. I thought we were front running a little bit of what has happened in previous cycles, but that just doesn't appear to be the case. My new thesis is that we are going to see highs potentially towards the later half of 2025, more closer to October, November, December of this year. That would follow a little bit more closely with what we saw in previous cycles. I say that because right now the Federal Reserve has a lot on their plate, and we know that they need to cut rates in order for this cryptocurrency market to really do well. On top of that, they need to end quantitative tightening, and they need to start easing. Well, the Federal Reserve uses tools like inflation, unemployment, how strong the dollar is to really make those decisions. And right now, there aren't a lot of major signs that point towards them having to cut rates or start quantitative easing. But I think as this year progresses and as the economy continues to struggle, I think eventually the Federal Reserve will say, okay, it is time for us to start cutting to stimulate the economy. It is time for us to start easing to stimulate the economy. So a lot to be bullish on when it comes to the macroeconomic environment, but right now we are struggling. When it comes to Picoin, I think this thing is going to do well in a bearish or bullish environment when it comes to crypto. But in order to really see those mega numbers, guys, in order to really see those highs, I think we are going to have to wait in order for the bull market to resume, which is my thesis. Now, if we continue to go down and struggle, then we might be hanging around this $2.15 to $2.50 range for a little bit more time, but only time will tell, obviously. Now, guys, I don't have a crystal ball. I have no idea if this is going to go up, down, sideways, or in circles. Please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to entertain and educate as best as possible. So the CEO, the co-founders, they're continuing to pump out content, continuing to show us how Pi Network is going to be integrated not only from the cryptocurrency sense, but also in terms of real life applications. That makes me extremely excited. I think we are going to continue to see bullish sentiment when it comes to Pi Network. I think we are going to continue to see people onboarding onto this network, onto this coin, and of course, the exchange listings. They're going to come. They have to come. Now, of course, like I said, I don't have a crystal ball, but right now we can see where the major volume is on some of these exchanges. OKX. I mean, look at this, folks. This is just astronomical right now, the amount of volume that we're seeing on some of these exchanges. $410 million, $460 million on BitGet, $192 million on MEXC, $697 million on Gate.io. These numbers are just unheard of for some of these exchanges. And so I think the bigger exchanges are watching, waiting, finding that good opportunity, that perfect opportunity for them to list PiCoin, and I think it'll come sooner rather than later. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment down below. I'll catch you guys next time.